Hey guys, I hope everything's going well. Hope you had a great holiday and everything. I just want to give you a heads up that I ended up in the hospital this week. I'm just finally getting to the point to where I am back to normal, so I'm going to try and run through your assignments as best as possible and as fast as possible. I'm hoping to have them back by Tuesday so I can get your stuff by Thursday back next week and catch up. So I just wanted to warn everyone, give you guys a heads up. I'm sorry about everything. I apologize. Just to let you know. Just keep in mind if you're late on some assignments this week, don't feel bad. I'm gonna help you out. And with last week as well, so that way it's good to go. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to update you and apologize for if the grades haven't come back. It's been a really rough week. I'll get back up to running and I'll get them back to you as soon as possible. So thanks for being patient. I appreciate it. Thanks for being awesome. If you need anything, just let me know. Other than that, have a good weekend. Keep an eye out for any announcements this week, and thank you for your patience. Always appreciate it. All right, take it easy. Bye bye.